Hi guys, back to my video. Today you know this house, right? So I want to show you something. I built all of this so hard. So I done this. I made some stairs. Look, the stairs are shortcut. Go here, done. And you could do something here. It's gonna be fun. Look, even a little fun. Look. Ta-da! Look. Now I'm all out of the house. Oh my god. Okay. Anyways. Okay. Make a door here. And up. Make a door here. Okay. Still leave the door. Oh my god. Yeah. Door. That. Yeah. Oh, you can keep the door like that. So there's a bathroom. Make like you put this there and then this. Well, I just put one block here. I put then these blocks over here and then yeah. Wait, the lamp is broken. So open the door. Let's see. Okay, guys. Konnichiwa. Oh, I did it already. So yeah, wait. Oh, you can make a not fun in this place. Ta-da! There's a trap here. But you get saved. But the trap again. Then you try to get out, but you don't. Wait, we need to make some views here. We need a glass here. Okay, we need to go out for a second. And go here, this part. Then put all the glasses. The house is almost done. So this will be the end of the house. There's many chapters of this house video. Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 3. And now, I think we are done with the house. Just this left. Okay. And then, oh, there. But that, and that. We are almost done with the house. And the video, I think it's about to end. So, we're done with the house. And I hope you like this video channel. YouTube channel. Bye.